A very good morning to Dr. Asrina and all my friends. Now, my groupmates and I would like to present our assignment with title categories of the Malaysian creative industry. Malaysian creative industry have three categories. They are multimedia creative industry, culture arts creative industry, and culture heritage creative industry. Firstly, I would like to introduce multimedia creative industry. It includes film and TV as well as advertisement, design, animations, and digital. Multimedia is a single interactive presentation that combines many types of content. Multimedia creative industry is very important because it inspires our feelings and yet give us a lot of economic benefits. Next is culture art creative industry. It includes fine arts, creative writings, and craft. Only when our culture can express by art, art will exist. Culture art importance because it gives us meaningful life. Next is cultural heritage creative industry. It includes museums, archive preservation, and restoration. The value of cultural heritage formed by a community that passed down from one generation to other generation. It is very important because it allows us to understand our history and the lifetime of earlier generations.
The most contribution is the cultural arts creative industry such as music, performing arts, craft, visual arts, and creative writing. For the music, the minister said that Malaysian creative industry account for 1.9% of GDP in 2015. In the long run, it has had growth potential and makes a significant contribution to Malaysian economy. For example, this relationship can be clearly seen in South Korea. The success of the Korean music and film industry has helped to increase its worldwide sales of beauty and electrical products and promote its travel business to other parts of the world. Next, for the performing arts, since that activities and performance will not longer be held because they must abide by the standard operating procedure. They also live on YouTube and use the platform to maintain their business and meet people needs. Next.
The Garia patients obstetric corrections contribute to the public through the education project by doing the mask using the simplest household materials. For the Accident Fraction Institutes, they create the mask for the hospital and the homeless shelters. Next, for the virtual arts, it is a form of the therapy that provide the happiness or boosting the connection or healing process. The skill is help people who have the serious brain disease by stimulate the cell growth in the brain. Next, for the creating writing, is contribute by the writers that express their emotion through the creative writing skills, and also the people who has the depressions can step forward for the require. Next.
WebTV Asia is a YouTube-certified multi-channel network owned by Prodigy Media Group, including event management, artist management, and film and music production and distribution. Product Media Group, the origination holding company, was founded in 2013. Since 2014, WebTV Asia has an impressive track record. The total number of viewers is 1.5 billion and the number of subscribers exceeds 5 million. Next. Sony Music Entertainment is a global music recording collaboration with a number of modern performers. Columbia Record Corporation was founded in 1929 as the American Record Corporation (ARC), then in 1938 after being purchased by Columbia Broadcasting System. The corporation was rebranded as CBS Record in 1966. Sony purchased the company in 1987 and changed its name to Sony Music Entertainment in year 1991. The three major record companies are Sony Music Entertainment, Universal Music Group (UMG), and Warner Music Group (WMG). Next.
Pasar and Mota Clothing is a local brand for streetwear in Malaysia. They begin in the year 2010 by Hardcore. The name Pasar and Mota show their strong Southeast Asian culture. Pasar and Mota is the famous brand in younger generation in Malaysia with their streetwear and youthful sensibility. They had cooperated with many famous brands like KFC, ASL Airline, Ghostbuster Movie, and so on. They try to use their design in cloth to bring out culture and personal lifestyle in Malaysia. Next.
Now I would like to show how to use the Malaysian Industrial Classification document. Step 1 is identify activities of company. For example, Web TV Asia include in field of film. Then we can go to this website. Then we can click at MSIC description. Then we can enter the activities description. Then we can find the group MSIC of Web TV Asia, which is 5920 because it includes sound recording and music publishing activities. Then we can find the code MSIC is 59200. After that, we can know that the MSIC code will be used in the GST 03 form item 19. Then we need to add MSIC code into GL accounts. These are all the steps. Step 1 is find maintain charge of accounts. Then is click the edit button as shown as below and insert specific accounts code in the industry code column at here. Then we need to click invoice button as shown below at here and assign back the sales account. Then we can click the GST button and choose new GST return part. Then after the GST return window appear, we can click the process button. Then we can click the GST 03 form button. Lastly, in the GST 03 form table 19, the entire GST charge for the respective MSIC codes will be present. Then these are the company's MSIC code that we found. Thank you for watching.